yeah, Mario time!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And because this is the last day of Mario Day, but we are celebrating Mario at every time or any chance that I get on my channel. I've been doing a lot of Mario related artwork, and these are the ones that I've done from the past few years, especially back in university and college. So I just wanted to show these off because I don't think I've ever really shown off all of these all at once. So here is a bunch of just Mario paintings, drawings, featuring both Miyamoto and anything in the Super Mario world. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, hit that like button, ring the bell, leave a comment, and let's get to it. So one of the first ones that I wanted to show was this one where it's a watercolor painting with a little bit of inking and with inking pens. And this one I have Miyamoto riding on top of a mushroom holding a stick with the flag just saying Nintendo. And they're in a Mario world with a warp pipe and some fire flowers. So this was just a fun anime style one that I've done. And this one is all done in color pencil. This is Miyamoto in a mushroom field, almost in a painterly style like that of Starry Night from Van Gogh. And this was done in brown paper. So this one's a bit more whimsical, fantastical. And like I said, it's kind of the play on Starry Night. And you do see the moon that I have up here, which is based on the Super Mario World moon. So that one was really fun, all in color pencil. This is a random silhouette style with black gouache. And this is Miyamoto kind of thinking with a thinking bubble of a mushroom, kind of getting an idea of Super Mario. So yeah, that's just Miyamoto with his crazy inventive ideas for Super Mario. Now one of my other favorites, which was done in a bunch of mediums, was this one where I drew Miyamoto in a very anime style, but it's also painted in the background with ink and watercolor paint. But the castle, this item block, the flag, the clouds, and the mushroom are all cut paper. So if I move this to the sides, you'll see that it is cut paper. And this one was really fun. Yeah, this was a fun one to do. So yeah, this was a classic castle from Super Mario Brothers on the NES. The flagpole and a mushroom popping out of the item block. So that was a fun one. Now this one's the one that I have shown off on my channel before, and this one is based off of Kanye West's album Graduation, and it features Miyamoto as Super Mario in the Tanuki suit. And this is in the style of Murakami, the Japanese artist. So this is a Japanese artist, and this was a very cool one based on the cover art. And you see the mushroom, the wiggler, all of the Mario enemies like the Goombas, the Koopas, with the purples, warm colors blended together in the background for the sky and him flying. This is one of my favorite ones that I've done. And this is a realistic drawing of Miyamoto holding a tiny mushroom. And this is all done in pencil. And this one I actually drew Miyamoto, and I kind of used a reference of a real mushroom toy that I had and photographed my hand, and yeah, just used Miyamoto as the base, as a reference. So this one was a fun one to do. And for my last one, this one's a kind of like a parody on the persistence of time. It's the famous painting And this one I drew Miyamoto's face melting with a clock on top, a coin, the POW block, a melted mushroom, an NES controller. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the original photo, and then this is the parody version of it. So I had fun making this one in acrylic paint. So this was a fun one. So yeah, these were all of my Mario Day celebrations that I wanted to do, or celebrate Mario Day. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you later. Bye-bye.